Hello everyone. In last video we have seen to install the Jenkins on Windows system. So this part of installation is over. Why we are doing this? We are gonna do the automated and continuous testing by using these tools. So today we are going to see how to install Eclipse IDE on Windows systems. So guys, it's very important to pick the right Eclipse version because Eclipse have n number of different versions available, and some of the versions not support some of the compilers, Java compilers. So let's say example, if you want to execute your code in Java 1.7, few of the versions of Eclipse only support Java compiler 1.4. They will not support 1.7. So it's very important to pick the right Eclipse, so you will not face any issue while executing the Java code while doing the automation testing. So we'll download the Eclipse Kepler, and once Eclipse Kepler is download, we are gonna install it. So this is a page from where we can download the Eclipse Kepler. Is 4.3.2. So here I will say 64-bit edition because my OS is 64-bit. So how we'll cross check? It's going computer here is operating system 64-bit. So just give a click on download. Now so you can see here that download scene in progress. So I will cancel it because I have that already downloaded. So here this will get downloaded, and just you have to right click and extract that either through WinRAR or through unzip. So it will come here in the form of directory, and inside that you will have the directory Eclipse. So this is the application executable file, and once we run it, it will open the Eclipse. And once you done with Eclipse installation, we have to uh, download and install the Selenium and TestNG. So we'll install that in our next video. Thank you.